only pointing the blame. Time goes slow, it sucks me out to sleep. Somewhere in this fallen state, I find the only proof. The weights upon my shoulders make the lines of broken truth. You stop stalling it all. Stop stalling. We can start starting again. We can start starting again. That's controlling you now. No, please, you can't be playing with the reason that your fingers only pointing the blame.